The old typewriter sat untouched in the attic for decades, its keys dust-laden and silent. One stormy night, as rain hammered the roof, Daniel decided to restore it. He polished the chrome, replaced the ribbon, and loaded crisp paper. As he turned away, a faint green glow illuminated the keys. They began to move, tapping out words with an eerie precision. Daniel froze as he watched glowing symbols, unlike any language he'd seen, appear on the page. The room chilled, and the typewriter clacked faster, the script forming intricate patterns. Suddenly, the symbols shifted into English. "We are here. You have awakened the bridge." A high-pitched frequency pierced the air, vibrating through Daniel's bones. Shadows flickered along the walls, forming shapes with elongated limbs and featureless faces. The typewriter continued, "Do not fear. We seek understanding." Daniel's heart pounded as the machine typed a final message. "The bridge is open. Await us." The glow faded. The room silent once more. The paper still pulsed with an otherworldly light, a chilling reminder that the attic and Daniel were no longer alone.